Hi guys, good to see you. Today I'll be doing unboxing of Xmate Action camera. So the package just arrived today and I'll be doing the unboxing and sort of review. Okay, so let's do it. I'm a bit sorry for the bad lighting. Let's do it. Yeah, there it is. Here's the invoice. It cost me around 1,999. The selling price is 9,800. I got this offer for the Amazon big shopping days, so it cost me really very cheap for 1,999. Okay, so let's open this up quickly. Okay. Yes, this is the user manual. Here, the accessories. I guess there are lots of accessories available. Oh my gosh, this is too much. Just too much. See the number of accessories available in this camera. Tons and tons of accessories. Oh my goodness. These are the mounting accessories. This whole thing. It's a cable which you can use to transmit the photos from a phone to this camera, or just keep for charging. The tie box. These are the mounting accessories. This is a micro cotton cloth for which you can use to wipe the lens of the camera. Here's the Wi-Fi remote which you can wear using this band on your wrist and use it at a distance of maybe 10 meters. Okay, and here's the main hero. Let's keep this aside. Alright, one accessory is also mounted on this, which you can just plug into the clip and keep it like this, standing. Alright, so let's open this up. You just have to push this button and lift this up. There it is. Here's how it looks like. Xmate Action and Sports camera. Okay, these are the buttons to select whatever. This to switch on and change the modes. Let's choose this camera on. Just press this for 3 seconds. There it is. Right. Video quality is quite okay. Not that good. Considering its price, sort of okay. Yes, let me show you it closely. Yep, now you can see more clearly. So I'll be clicking a small video and I'll upload it. Okay. This photo was taken underwater when the camera was submerged inside it, so it's quite okay. Then I took a photo outside, and here's a small video for you. Alright, so here are the specifications. It has 2.0 HD display, Camera lens is 120 angle wide angle fisheye. Photographic interpretation 6mm, 12, 8 and 5mm. Okay, and speaker, if you talk about, it's 8 ohms, 0.5 watt. There's a built-in mic, and video format is AVI MJPEG. Photo format is JPEG. And storage storage support class 4 micro SD card. You can put up to 32 GB memory card inside. It's water resistance up to 30 meters. Okay, the battery capacity is quite good. 900 mAh. You can shoot up to 12 hours at full charge. Charging power 5 volt and 1 amp. This current is 1 amp. Okay, remote control, yes, it is there. 2.4 G. Whatever. Okay, it's made in China though. Okay, let me keep this aside. Getting back onto my camera. Here's where I can put in the SD card, and here you can put it for charging. Again, sorry about the lighting, bad lighting. Okay, so let me show you the different modes available. Let's put on this light. Alright. Okay, it's a bit clear. Yeah, so here's video resolution. You have to go down with these buttons available. Is the exposure, motion detect is there, cyclic record, video lapse, and here's the DR. There's burst mode. Okay, if you want to record audio, then you have to go in and switch it on, otherwise it will not record audio. It'll be just soundless video. Okay, so here's the date stamp. The stamp is there. Image size you can select. You can choose the quality you want. There's even capture mode. You can choose this sharpness, ISO, anti-shaking is also there, which is a good feature. White balance. You can choose the frequency. OST mode is there. You can even choose the screensaver. That's in screensaver. Okay, you can rotate the pics. Auto power off. Alright, where you can just go in and keep the timer. It'll automatically be powered off. Okay, something will off. You can choose the language whichever you want. You can turn on this beep sound which is coming. Right, date time. Car mode is also there. Wi-Fi access ID. You can select the Wi-Fi password. Okay, so it's a bit secure. Delete, you can delete the pics. You can even format, and there's a default setup. Right, and last thing is its version v.1.0. Alright, okay, so it's not bad for this price at least. Okay, hope you enjoyed the video, and thank you for watching. Have a great day ahead. Bye bye.